me! It's right behind me! Run! Faster!
First, take a look at this YouTube channel. It has only 21 uploaded videos, yet it's performing incredibly well. You can see that one video has over 222,000 views, another has 388,000 views, and another has more than 314,000 views. Many of the videos on this channel are getting excellent results. The good news is that you can create the same type of videos very easily. In this complete course, I'll show you step by step how to create them for free. I'll explain everything you need to know, from generating the content to editing the final video. Now, many people ask whether this channel is monetized or not. As you can see from the available analytics tools, the channel is already monetized. According to the estimates shown, the channel is earning at least around 1.1K per month. Other analytics platforms also show that the channel is monetized, with estimated monthly earnings reaching up to $2.5K. This proves that this niche has great potential, and you can also create similar videos and grow a successful channel. So, let's get started and learn exactly how to create these trending videos step by step. And before we begin, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe and like this video so you don't miss future tutorials like this. Now, let's start and see how we can create these trending videos from scratch. First, open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, download the prompt that I'll provide in the comment section. Then, copy the green paragraph that contains the channel link prompt. Once you copy and paste it into ChatGPT, it will ask you for YouTube channel links. Now, go to the YouTube channel that has the type of content you want to create. Open the channel and copy 2 or 3 video links from it. Then, paste those links into ChatGPT, just like I did. For even better results, you can also send the video script. For example, if I want to recreate a specific video, I simply copy its script. If the script is in another language, I write, "This is the script, but I want it in English." Then send it to ChatGPT. It will generate the English version for you as well. After that, copy both prompt 1 and prompt 2, the red and green prompts, and paste them together into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will handle everything automatically. All you need to do is copy and paste the prompts. It will generate the complete story, image prompts, and video prompts for you. As you can see, the 150-word story is ready, the image prompts are ready, and the video prompts are ready too. This makes the entire process very easy. The best part is that every time you use these prompts, ChatGPT will create something completely new. It won't generate the same story again and again. Each time, you'll get a fresh story, fresh image prompts, and fresh video prompts. You can even increase the number of images from 7 to 10 or more, depending on your needs. Now, all the image prompts and video prompts are ready. Next, we need to generate the images. I always recommend using Leonardo AI for image generation. Many people ask how to save credits and avoid running out too quickly. So here's the trick. Always use the auto model. It automatically selects the best model for your prompt. Also, set the image size to 9:16. Then, copy the first image prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. Generate the image and you'll get a great result. Do the same for the second prompt and all the remaining prompts. As you keep pasting the prompts, the images will continue to be generated automatically. As you can see, the results look amazing. Simply copy each image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo AI. In this way, all your images will be generated according to the story, and every image needed for the video will be ready. For creating AI videos, I use a website that I have recommended before as well. Its name is Digen.ai, and it's an amazing platform for generating AI videos. One of the biggest advantages of this website is that it provides free daily credits. When you first sign up, you get around 300 credits, and after that, you continue receiving daily credits just by logging in. As you can see, I currently have over 4,000 credits available, which is more than enough for creating videos. Many people requested a new tutorial on this website because I had used it before, so I decided to make another guide for you. The platform now includes powerful models such as Cadence 2.0, VO3, and several other advanced AI video models. All you need to do is sign in with your email address. Once you log in, the website will continue giving you daily credits automatically. Now, to create AI videos, click on the Create option at the top. After that, upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, paste the video prompt generated by ChatGPT and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, the AI will start creating your video. You can repeat the same process with another image. Upload the image, paste its corresponding video prompt, and generate again. Both videos will start processing. It may take a short time, but usually not very long. Next, the second website I use is FlowLabs. It is also an excellent platform and one that I personally use quite often. Simply open the website and you'll see the dashboard. New users usually receive around 150 starting credits, and after that, the platform provides additional daily credits. You can also use different email accounts if needed. To create a video, click on New Project. Once the project opens, go to the Start section and upload your image. After uploading the image, click on Add Prompt and paste your video prompt. Your first video will begin generating. Then, upload another image, add its prompt, and generate again. Within a short time, your videos will be ready. As you can see, the results are excellent. In fact, these are the same types of videos that I have personally used in my own projects. By following this process, you can easily create high-quality AI videos for your channel. Now, for the final AI voice generation step. Voice is one of the most important parts of any video, so for this, I use Unlimited AI Tools Text-to-Speech. It's a great website for generating high-quality AI voices, and you can easily create voiceovers for your videos. Simply open the website and paste your script into the text box. After that, select the voice you want to use. I usually recommend choosing Blaze because it sounds great for storytelling, but you can select any voice that fits your content style. Once you've selected the voice, click on Generate. Within a few moments, your AI voiceover will be ready. As you can hear, the results sound very natural and professional. Now let's move on to the final step, video editing. For video editing, I use CapCut. It's an excellent editing software, and honestly, it's the same software I personally use for editing my own videos. First, create a new project and import all of your video clips. Place the clips on the timeline one by one in the correct order. Once all the clips are added, click on the animation option and apply the animations and effects that you like. You can add transitions, zoom effects, motion effects, and any other effects that match your video style. After applying the effects and making the final adjustments, your video will be completely ready. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back soon with another amazing tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching.